my gosh, I'm in love. We got the cars outside.
We are back at the lab and we have two Zs that are waiting for some pickup, the new Z and an older Z. As you guys know, actually we haven't explained it, you guys have no idea. So I had a STEM program I launched last week. It was called Project 102, where I got a bunch of high school students and we got to transform a 350Z together. They did a wonderful job and I guess now it's ready for me to drive. No, I'm totally kidding. I don't want to make it seem like I just made them do all the work and now I get to enjoy it. Definitely not the move I was going for, but they learned a lot.
But today we're doing even more than just that. We're obviously picking up our two cars, but we're going over to Oakland Mall and we're checking out a space that could potentially be the new headquarters for the YouTube channel.
Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. Although we do love this space as well, so we're also thinking about this space. But yeah, I gotta do some work on the 350Z to make it drivable right now, so I'm gonna hand the camera over to you.
What's up? If you guys remember the Z on the channel in the last video or two, it was red, it was totally like peeling its paint, but now it looks really good. As Christina is saying, this is more of a mature build. Usually we do something really bright and loud, kinda sorta like this, but both of these are pretty mature for the channel. We're gonna get this 350 up and running. You can see a lot of the OEM parts over here, the stock wheels, the stock bumper, the OEM headlights and taillights. They completely transformed this car. But as Christina was saying, you guys, we have this space here at Performance Lab, and we are available to use the space as well, but we kind of want something to call our own, because I don't know, we're trying to see if this makes sense. We need like a headquarters, we need a spot that we can come and chill with a couch, TV, racing simulators, whatever, you name it. We want a cool little spot to customize, and we think we know just the spot. Just took off the underglow. We need to make it more permanent than how we had it set up. So we're gonna put that back on in another video. Christina's currently zip tying and securing the front bumper because God forbid this thing falls off and we run it over. That would suck.
Video sponsored by Zip Ties.
It's never a bad idea to have zip ties in your car. These tires are literally brand new. We literally have the stickers still on the tires.
I literally bought them because it says Iron Man on them. They're Iron Man brand.
Wow, I never even heard of that before.
I know, I need to reach out to them.
But we got the new tires on there, we got the new wheels. I'm excited to see this thing on the road, but I'm even more excited to see both of these cars in the potentially new space. We finished and we are out of here. We just got new wheels put on the Z. We also just got this put on the Z. That is an extra 50 horsepower right there from Vet Lab. If you guys aren't familiar with Vet Lab / Performance Lab, which is where we are currently at, they helped us do our roadkill build where we Hellcat swapped our Challenger RT in like 30 days. And we actually did it right on this very lift right here. That's the boy Roy. Say it. Who the fuck is up, YouTube? There we go. So if you guys need anything in terms of performance modifications, you know where to go. You ready?
Yes, ma'am, sir. I look like I have lice. I'm like, I promise I don't have lice.
We are rolling out.
Go. Here you go.
I still have my...
Yeah, I know.
I got my windows tinted from Future Reps. If you guys are in Detroit, this is definitely the place to go.
Job.
They honestly did. I kind of underestimated Ramis and he did really good. So got the windshield done, got the sides tinted, but now we're ready to roll out.
What's up?
What up?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you in that automatic?
Oh yeah, just wonderful.
What do you know about a manual transmission?
Just wonderful.
You ready to go?
Yeah, you can lead the way.
Look at that thing on the road. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. All right, so we are basically here. This is Oakland Mall, you guys. And as I was saying before, we are trying to work something out with the owner of the mall. He treats us super well, and he's actually well known on TikTok for kind of giving back here at the mall. And yeah, so it's a really cool, a cool, like, it's almost like abandoned. You'll kind of see when we get there. We have more or less arrived. Actually, the bay that we are looking at is around back, but I think we have to go in the front here. I don't really know exactly how to get in. Is it unlocked?
crazy. You're unlocking a door. Wow.
Unlocking a door.
So crazy, dude.
Crazy.
Oh my God, so crazy. Woo. Let's go inside. People probably think we're breaking in right now, but we've already seen this place before. We know what it's like, but Grant wanted to show you guys just because now we have a better taste for it. We know, oh, I thought someone was already in here, but it was Grant's reflection.
Oh, all
right.
right. So this is like the front entrance to the area that we're considering. Our garage space is actually around back. This used to be a Sears Auto Center, right?
Yeah, some type of, yeah. Right.
So now it's haunted.
Let's go inside. They've already started working on it. This is gonna be like the lounge area.
Fast.
Here you go.
Sounds like there's an alarm.
Yeah, we're definitely breaking in.
I hope the police don't come. That'd be interesting.
All the alarms are going off. But anyways, we go through this alleyway, this door in the hallway, and this is what we have. They're already working on all of the different bays and the lifts, so it's still a work in progress, but it is very well heated right now. As you could hear the ventilation. Like Mario said, like if we really wanted to work right now, we could come pull it in and work here. But luckily, fortunately, we have Vet Lab as well, and they have a lot of tools there right now. But this place is definitely gonna have no shortage of tools pretty soon, and I can't wait to see what it looks like as they progress. But I do want to do a little photo shoot here, just like right now. I feel like it'd be really cool with like, you know what type of vibe I'm going for, right? Like have a car pulled in here with a nice cool photo shoot with like the ceiling lights, the shop lights and stuff, like at nighttime. Okay, someone said I had a bad day and there's a whole, okay. Oh my God, that is so funny. Did you figure it out?
No. So yes, this is the main space as Christina had kind of stated, but our space is around back.
Really?
Yeah.
I totally forgot. I thought it was Bay 1. Okay.
Nope,
Oh, I
this
forgot
is
about
gonna be
this.
our space.
Okay, that makes more sense when Mario said you could come in right now.
So we're gonna kind of have this whole space, which is amazing.
I already know what I want to do. Either this is gonna be the showroom and that's the working area, or that's the showroom and this is the working area.
Right. We definitely need like a nice and then a dirty section.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get some lifts in here. I definitely want to do like a gaming area somewhere.
The lounge area would make sense, right?
A lounge area, or like I want to do racing simulators.
Yeah,
My vision for this is to have this be like the car community hub. Like after we hang out on Woodward or there's a car meet, we'll all just kind of come here and hang it or kick it. Guys, I have big hopes for this, and huge shout out to Mario for even letting us come in here and check out the space and considering us to be a part of this space. And this is awesome.
Yeah, he like reached out and told us about it, and we were like, wow, that's just so crazy.
You can never have too much space.
Yeah, everything he's doing is actually like, you should definitely like look into his social media channels because he really does vlog everything he's kind of up to. So it's really interesting what he's doing for the Oakland Mall, Madison Heights community in general, because I grew up here. Like when I was little, my parents would always bring me to Oakland Mall, and it was just like something I grew up with.
And for a while, the mall kind of started to take a downturn. It almost ended up like Lakeside Mall. And now the mall is back on its feet, and there's a lot of good stores and a lot of traffic, and it's cleaned up. Like he really saved the mall, so.
Yeah, he's saving the mall. Yeah, but like you said, I think this is a very nice, like squared off designated area for like a couch, TV, racing simulators, etc., etc.
Yeah.
I don't know what's through this door.
A janitor closet?
A bathroom and lockers.
Wow. So we can kind of gut the locker area and maybe like make it a nice bathroom of some sort. I mean, obviously it needs some work. Not a problem though. We can put up some drywall here, paint it white, clean up the ceiling a little bit. It has a lot of potential. I'm pretty excited. There's a lot of, like, we're kind of exploring what's in here. Oh boy, this is like the shop bath. This is kind of scary. Dude, I thought I was gonna find a dead body.
It definitely needs a lot of work, but Mario's already on it.
Okay, then we have a washer in this random room. So these could be like storage rooms of some sort. This is gonna be our main garage door right here. These are just kind of windows.
Obviously, like, for more spacious look, you could definitely fit, like, these are 1 bay, 2 bay, 3 bay, but each one is like a 2-car garage bay.
Yeah.
But it's definitely gonna look spacious and clean, and that's what I like the most about this.
So I wanna see it from the outside. This is what it looks like. Obviously we can paint this whole thing, kind of remodel it and make it look like super nice. So it actually looks good from the outside though, but it doesn't need much work from the exterior. Point of view, no way. Christina's opening the garage door. You just opened the garage door. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. This is awesome.
A small washing machine for our microfiber towels.
I know, I saw that.
We're already getting ready.
We're already getting to work.
Witch broom.
The witch broom.
Yeah.
Christina, there's just a tail light here. Looks like a Mercedes tail light too.
Yeah, it is. No, it's a Fusion. It's the side of a Fusion.
You think so?
Yeah, the you know the cop ones.
Oh, the Ford Tauruses?
The
Taurus,
yeah.
yeah.
It's not the Fusion, it's the Terrace or whatever.
Yeah. So you know there's only one thing left to do.
What?
We gotta pull our cars in.
Are you serious right now?
Yup.
I'm not trying to get nails in my car.
Bro, we're not gonna, we'll sweep real quick. Let's sweep. We got a broom. Just don't want there to be any nails.
There's so much dust in my eyes right now.
We're probably breathing in so much crap.
I know, dude. No idea how to get there.
Bro, we go around the corner.
Oh.
There we are. This is gonna be our next home, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Pull them around. I gotta climb under. There we are. I'll open her up. Yeah! Now we're talking. We got the cars outside. It's pretty windy. I'm in love with this right now. The cars, I'm in love with the shop and the space. Just let us know what we should do with this spot, if we should go through with it, and if we do go through with it, what we should do with it. So let's pull one of the cars in and just see how they look. Oh yeah, this is sick. Oh my gosh. I am in love right now, you guys. I have such high hopes and high visions for this space. This is beautiful. Are you not so geeked out right now? Like, I am so excited.
I know, it looks so.
All right, well, we're in a garage. The door is open. You know what that means. Come on, we gotta hear it. Come on. Dang. Okay, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. It's muffler delete time, baby. There you guys have it. Both cars pulled into our potentially future shop. I mean,
This is it. So stay tuned. I think we're probably gonna start, I feel like working on it hopefully like mid-spring, like early summer, around that time. Obviously we're gonna have so much other stuff going around between now and then. We gotta get our cars lined up correctly. We had a couple to sell. We have new additions that we're gonna introduce to the channel as well.
And also Christina has a big surprise, which I cannot say just yet.
Yeah.
But she is doing something.
I don't know which one you're talking about, but yeah.
She's doing something pretty big, and it's not necessarily directly related to cars, but it definitely affects our space.
Yeah. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming along throughout our day, and don't forget to subscribe.
Definitely subscribe. That would help a lot, because apparently like 93% of our viewers aren't subscribed. Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
So anyways, thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Hopefully I can get a manual 350Z. I've been looking for one because this one's an auto and it's really, really bothering me, so.
Wah, wah, wah.
Bye.
Peace out.